Hello, welcome to my channel. Long time no video, but now I'm back for this time. As you see behind me, my race car is going on some renovation. Now it's the bare shell. I still need to do some welding and still need to grind some and clean, sand, you know the drill, and then it will finally get some base paint and paint on it. Ben is over there. By the way, this is my new garage. More about that later. But yeah, it's a huge garage. I'm used to having a small garage. But now finally I managed to get this bigger one. Just thrown in some stuff over here now so I can work on the car. I got the lift, I got one customer car, and I will bring some more cars over here also. And you see Ben is working on the car. Nice. Yeah, as you see, it's clean, the rear end is done, and yeah, it will be good. More about the garage later. Really nice office part and outside tarmac, yeah, you know. But now this is the end for this. I will hopefully make some more videos later, but now this is a little update on what's going on. I'm working really hard on this car.